Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 7s squared. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. This one that is about 2s. We just applied the power rule of the derivative. So we have 2s in here. 7 with number 2 we have 14. So this one we change by u. This one we change by the u. And we have the final answer about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.